Stop this video only if you do not want to be confident. But if you have ever stayed silent in a meeting, felt nervous speaking in public, and if you have thought that I know English but I can't speak, then this video is for you because it is day 3 today and most people give up today. But we are not going to quit it. Hello, my friends. Welcome to day 3 of my English speaking practice challenge. My name is Ahmed and I'm from Surat, Gujarat, India. And I'm learning English just like you. My native language is not English. My native language is Hindi. So, yes, it's possible for me to make mistakes. But today I'm still here and recording the video again. That's called progress. Let me tell you one truth. Many of us understand English, we can read English, we can write English. But when it's time to speak English, sometimes, in fact, most of the time, our mind says, what if I'm wrong? What if I make any mistake? What will people think about me? What if I make any kind of mistake? Then people will laugh at me. Then what happens? We remain silent. We choose silence. But at night, when we go to bed, sometimes we think, I should have spoken. I should have spoken today. So, if this sounds like you, then you are not weak. The problem is that you are just unpracticed. English is not about intelligence. English is not about impressing someone. English is about delivering the message. It's about habit. If you keep practicing speaking English every single day, then your English will improve a lot. You know, you didn't learn your mother tongue by grammar. You didn't even see the book of grammar when you were a child. You just learned it by listening, repeating, and making mistakes. But you didn't stop there. You did not give up there. So why are you fear? So why are you afraid in English? That's the same thing with English also. You have to do the same thing with English also. So mistake means you are trying. If you are not making mistakes, it simply means that you are not trying. If you are trying, you will make some mistakes because English is not our native language. In fact, we should feel proud of ourselves that though English is not our native language, still we are trying to learn it, trying to speak it. So it's a matter of proud for us. If you see other English native speakers, they don't learn our language. If they learn our language, they are also going to make the same kind of mistake as we are doing mistakes in English language. So there is no fear. There is nothing should be shameful like things in this. Okay, let's practice real life English together. Imagine a situation. Someone asks you, "How was your day?" Then you can simply reply, "If your day was good, then you can say, 'My day was good.' If you were busy today, then you can reply, 'I was busy today.' Or if you are tired but still you are happy, then you can say, 'I am tired but happy.' Now imagine us imagine a scene, imagine a scenario that you are at a shop and the shopkeeper asks you, "Can I help you?" Then you can simply reply, "Yes, please," or you can say thank you. Or if you do not want to purchase something from his or her shop, then you can simply say, "I am just looking," means you are just observing the things. That's real English. It's not bookish English. Now listen to me carefully. People who speak English confidently and fluently, they were once also bad speakers like we are, but I think we are not bad speakers that much. Okay, but the only difference between us and them is they did not stop, they did not give up, they did not quit. So it is also third day of ours. It is my third day and you are still watching and we are also here. So you are already stronger than many other people because many people starts and after 2 or 3 days or after 1 week they quit their English speaking journey. In this way they are not able to speak English fluently and it happens for many years, and after many years they were still not able to speak English fluently. So I promise you one thing, if you speak English every single day for at least 30 days, then your fear will reduce. I will not say that your fear will reduce 100% or it will disappear, but it will reduce enough to move forward in your English speaking journey. So that's how confidence increases, that's how confidence starts. So if you are with me till day 3, so like this video and subscribe to SAR English, and also comment day 3 strong, because your comment tells me how serious you are about your English, and your comments motivate me to record, to make such nice videos. So before I leave, before you leave me, remember this: one day someone will judge you for your English, but many days later. So you should thank yourself that you have started your English speaking journey. If you haven't started, it's day 3. You can also start today, because there is no delay when you realize. So don't quit on the 3rd day, because day 3 decides who you are or who you are going to become. So see you tomorrow in day 4. Until then, speak English even if your voice is not up to the mark. Speak English even if you are not doing good. But whatever you're doing, feel that, think that you are doing better day by day. Till then, take care of you and your family. See you. Bye bye. Take care.